All right, our next top product of 2018 is actually two products in one. It's a bundle. It's a brand new mixer from Roland, the Roland V-02HD mixer. It's a great little mixer. I'm going to show the mixer up here first, the mixer so you can see it. I'm going to put them both on the board here, and hopefully we'll be able to get a good shot at what they actually do. And I'm going to overlap this a little on the pedal, and hopefully it'll make it look a little better. Basically what this product is it's a way for you to add a two-camera multicam very easily. The mixer is a very easy, straightforward mixer that you can use to switch between multiple HDMI inputs, 1 and 2. What makes it really cool is you'll see there's a second thing over here. That's this puppy right here. This is a foot pedal. That foot pedal allows you to hit the pedal to go from A to B to actually switch your show from a foot pedal. Now, that's very unique and it's very cool, but as someone who does shows all the time, I have Eddie, I have a crew here, we're on a TriCaster TC1, you know, we're rocking and rolling, but maybe you're an independent producer and you're trying to do a multi-camera show with 2 cameras or a camera and a PowerPoint, and you're the only guy who can do it. The talent has to run the show. That's where this product really comes in handy. I really love it. The 2-camera mixer, it's got a slide control, it's got other effects like with audio tools where you can follow audio or cut to the beat. They've really done a good job over there at Roland. I gotta congratulate them. The complete bundle includes the foot pedal and the mixer for $675. Great job, Roland, and that's why the V-02HD PAC2 bundle is a Videoguys top product of 2018.